News 8 at Sunrise in high definition continues.
CPA Jamie Block is back with us this morning. Jamie, great to see you.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks for having me.
Sure. So the subject today is benefits for veterans.
Yep.
So what areas are we targeting this morning when we talk about benefits for veterans?
Yeah, today I'd like to talk about the tax benefits and credits, as well as some education assistance. And lastly, I'll talk about the New York State property tax exemption.
All right, let's start with tax credits. What should we be focused on if we're a veteran?
Yeah, many disabled servicemen and women can claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, also known as EITC. This credit is for low to middle income individuals that have earned income. The nice thing about service members is that their combat pay is not included in their income and therefore is not taxable. And since it's not in their income, it doesn't offset that income threshold for the Earned Income Tax Credit. And it's refundable, so even better yet, if you don't owe any tax, that money comes back to you in the form of a check.
Ooh, I like that. So what about veterans that might want to go to college or return to school? What benefits are available there?
Yeah, there's the post 9/11 GI Bill, which is available for servicemen and women. And that benefit is for those that served in active duty after September 10th, 2001. And it is also not included in income, which is fantastic because then you don't have to pay tax on it.
So what type of schooling can you do, and what type of benefits do you actually receive through that bill?
Right, and so what that benefit is, you can use that towards tuition, and it is up to $1,000, and you can use it at universities, trade schools, apprenticeships, as well as flight school.
Okay. Let's move ahead and talk about some tax exemptions for veterans, because I know you mentioned that earlier.
Yeah. The New York State allows a reduction in property taxes for individuals who have served in the military and the veterans. And the nice thing about that is it's an addition to your STAR program that you already get. And if you are active duty or a disabled veteran, you get an even higher exemption. And as you know, in New York State, our taxes are pretty high, so those tax benefits are very helpful.
I noticed you noted here that it's also available for a surviving spouse who has not remarried, correct?
That is correct. So again, as long as they haven't remarried, they still get that exemption.
Final thoughts on benefits for veterans?
Yeah, for anyone who needs to get any more information, I really recommend that they call or look on the website for the Department of Veteran Affairs to get more information.
Great resource. Jamie, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Mark.
If you missed any of this, or you want to learn more about that link to the VA or our link to the New York State Society of CPAs, nysscpa.org, you'll find that information on our site as well at rochesterfirst.com.